How to view your watch history on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now let's get started. Launch your TikTok app. Here we go. You will land to the For You page. At the bottom, you will find different options. Head towards the option of profile. Now at the top right, you will find 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it. Head towards the option of settings and privacy. Over here, you're gonna find different sections. Now scroll down. Under content and display, you will see the option of activity center. Open this option. Now head towards the option of watch history. In this page, you're gonna find watch history of your TikTok account. If you want to clear your watch history, you can do that as well. At the top right, you will find the option of select. Tap on it. Now you can select the videos that you want to remove from the watch history, or you can select all the videos. If you want to do so, you can check in for this option of select all watch history. After you select it, tap on delete. Delete all watch history from past 180 days. Tap on delete. And with that, you have just deleted watch history of your TikTok account. So this is how you can view and watch history on TikTok. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.